Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are doing extremely well. So let's continue our series of solving DSA luck Babar sheet. So we have solved up to count inversion in the previous videos. Today is the problem to solve: best time to buy and sell stock. Let's see what does the problem say. The problem says the cost of stock on each day is given in array A. This is the array they have been talking about of size n. Find all the segments of days on which you can buy and sell the stock so that in between those days for which the profit can be generated. Okay. Note, since there can be multiple solutions, the driver code will print 1 if your answer is correct, otherwise it will return 0. In case there is no profit, the driver code will print a string no profit for a correct solution. Okay, so what do we have to do? Let me switch the tab like this. Okay, so it says, let me zoom it in. It says, such as, suppose the example given to us is 100, 180, 260, 310, 40, 535, 695. It says that this array represents the price of stock on each day. This is day 0, this is day 1, this is day 2, this is day 3, this is day 4, this is day 5, this is day 6. All right. So, what is the expected output? It says find out segment of days on which you buy and sell stock so that in between those days for which profit can be generated. All right. So, what does it say? It says suppose a person buys a stock on day 0 for 100 rupees, sells on 180. Okay. Gains a profit of, suppose I am saying, buys on day 0, so minus 100 right now, sells on day 1, so plus 180 gives rise to 80. Okay. Then I can see 180 to 260 also. So I say buy on 180 again and sell on 260. So it would be equals giving rise to profit equals to 80 rupees again. Then I say buy on 260 again and sell on 310, giving rise to 50 rupees. So the segments would be like 0 to 1, comma 1 to 2, comma 2 to 3. All right. So total profit here now up till now is 80 plus 80 plus 50, that is equals to 160 plus 50, that is equals to 210. Can this also be written as 0 to 3? It can be written as 0 to 3 also. That buy the stock on day 0 and sell it on day 3. Would the profit still be 210? Yes, 310 minus 100 is 210. So it is saying both the answers are correct. Whether you submit 0, 2, 2, 3, or you submit 0, 3, both answers are correct. So let's see how we are going to approach this problem. Let me remove all the stuff I have written right now. So now I have got this array in hand. All right. Let me plot it on the graph. Okay. Suppose this is 100, then going to 180, going 180, sorry, then going to 260, then going to 310, then going to 40, then going to 535 again, then going to 695. Now the answer given to us in the questions bar is 0 to 3 and 4 to 6. Let me mark the index again here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer given was 0 to 3, 4 to 6. If you observe, there's a trend here, okay? On this 0 to 3. Is something happening at 3? Is 3 behaving differently that we are buying at 3? Yes. How? There's a breakpoint. So what does it say? Whenever there is a breakpoint, thus that from going upwards to going downwards, we have to create a segment from the thing we have here pointed at. So I say keep a pointer I here, keep iterating keep a pointer I here and j here. Keep iterating until we encounter a breakpoint. When we encounter a breakpoint, give it a segment ij, move I here, j here, and then keep doing it until I is less than n less than equals to n minus 1 and j is less than equals to n minus 1. If I is lying somewhere here and j has surpassed the limits, then the last segment would be I to n minus 1. I hope I have made myself clear. Let's see how I'm saying it, how it would work. So, given our array, let me remove this so making it more clear. So what I'm saying is keep I at 0, j at 0. Okay. Keep iterating j. Okay. Until breakpoint. There would have been two cases. Suppose it is given as 100 180. It could have been the case that it is given as 180 100. In that case, it is already going down. So I do not have to buy on day 0. I just move it to the I and comma j here only. Okay, up till when there is when I can approach this approach. Okay, on until then I say go up till go to iterate j until breakpoint. So the breakpoint comes here. So I put answer 0 to 3. Move I here, j here. Then breakpoint comes never. J goes out of bounds. So I put 4 to 6 in the answer. All right. Okay, it is a good approach, no doubt. But can it be better? So the answer given input was 100, 180. Let me write it again. Just a minute. Sorry for the glitch, guys. I just have some small scale issue. So it was. Let me write it again. It was 100, 180, 260, 310, 40, 535, and 695. Now here it is written, since there can be multiple solutions, the driver code will print 1 if your answer is correct. I say mark the indices for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I say plot the graph 100, 180, 260, 310. Oh, sorry, 40, 535, 695. I say whenever you observe this, add that segment. What I mean to say, keep an eye here. Start iterating up till this index, that is n minus 2 index. Whenever ARRI is less than ARRI plus 1, segment I to I plus 1 added. Would it give some time or some kind of loss? Let me try run it for you. Suppose I was at 0. So is 100 less than 180? Yes. So add 0 to 1. I comes here. Is 180 less than 260? Yes. So add 1 to 2. Okay. I comes here. Is 260 less than 310? Yes. Add 260 to 310. Okay. Is I comes here. Is 310 less than 40? No. So move I here. 40 less than 535? Yes. So 4 to 4 to 5, that is 40 to 535 also comes. Okay. Sorry, it would be 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, then 4 to 5. Then after that, y comes here. Is 535 less than 695? Yes. So 5 to 6 is also an interval. Alright. So if you see, can this be said as 0 to 3 only? And can this be said as 4 to 6 only? Yeah. So both the answers are same. It will give correct output for both the answers. Okay. Let me show you how can this be transformed to this. I will just write a word here and you will understand how. Did it ring any bells? Aren't these overlapping intervals answer? If these are the intervals given to us in input, aren't these the overlapping intervals? So I'm saying is, if suppose this is first answer, this is second answer, I'm saying that I'm not saying it. The question is saying that one is also accepted as correct, second is also accepted as correct. Okay, it is much more easier to write one. But if you want to go up till two, you can use two approaches. The first one is the breakpoint approach, which I explained in the earlier part of the video, and second is overlapping approach. I'll code it down for you, both the approaches. So let me zoom in a little. So we have to return our answer in the form of vector of vector int answer. Okay. What we have to do? We have to move our pointer I from 0 up till n minus 2. Okay. What we were doing, if a of I plus 1 is greater than a of I, ans dot push back I to I plus 1. After that, what do we have to do? Return answer. I hope this would work. Let's see if it works. Compile and run. I don't think I've committed any error in writing the code. Yes, it is working. Let's try it for submit. Okay, also submitting. Now I was saying use the overlapping interval. Okay, if you want to get the answer in the form of shortest, that like you have to merge the intervals. So you can use overlapping intervals. I'm writing the code here for you. Also, I have written the code for overlapping. I have also explained how overlapping interval works. So if you want to go give it a check, you can go there also. I will provide the link in the description. Okay. What was our algo? Say it with me. Vector of int answer. Alright. Intervals dot sort. Do we have to sort the intervals here again? No, because we are storing it in the form of this. So sorting is not needed right now. So what we have to do? We have not to sort them. Okay. Now for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. It had to be 1. First push the push answer dot push back intervals 0. Move the pointer from 1 to n minus 1. So now int x equals to answer dot size. Now int old left equals to answers x minus 1 0, int old right equals to answer x minus 1 1. Now int new left equals to answer x minus sorry, it would be intervals I 0, and what will the new right? Intervals I 1. So what is the condition for overlap? If new left is less than equals to old right, then what do you have to do? Answer dot pop back. After that, answer dot push back all left with new right. All right. Else, if it is not an overlapping interval, just push back the new left, new right. So answer dot push back new left, new right, and then return the after the loop ends. Sorry, return the answer. Okay. Here answer equals to int x equals to answer dot size. Answer equals to, what was the name? Overlapping, send answers with x, and then after that return answer. Let's see what happens. Correct. And working correct for submit also. No, segmentation fault. There has been a mistake, guys. There has been a mistake. But what mistake? There has been a mistake. But what mistake? Oh, it is not handling the guy. This one. That suppose there is no segment present, 0 comma 0. So what do we have to do in that case? In that case, it would not be possible, right? So in that case, we have to handle it correctly. If answer, that is, sorry, if x equals to 0, then return answer. I think it would work now. This was the only edge case present, I think. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your like and subscribe means a lot to me. And see you in the next video. So keep coming back for more crazy content like this.